Hey everyone. Okay, this is my Kelly Purkey month of September kit. It says holiday products coming October 4th. Ooh, how exciting. So I get the Traveler's Notebook. I get the Traveler's, what is that? I'm not sure. Hold on. Let's see. Traveler's Notebook set and the I'm Your Mini Kit Ready for Maximum Fun. So I think I got, let's just open it because I'm not sure what I got. I got one extra. I think I got one add-on. So this is a different package. So I guess they're repackaging or something. I'm not sure. I don't remember getting it like this, but I don't remember lots of stuff. So who knows? Okay, so let's see what we get. My husband's working, so sorry, the scanner's on. Okay, so we get the regular alpha set, which this one is more of a tan. And I saw this with Heba Alsby. What is her name? My Little Journal. And she does a kit reveal every month and before the kit comes out. And that is so cute. Can you guys read that? It says, Mother Trucker, Son of a Biscuit, What the Fork, Whoopsie Daisy, Blimey, Censored, Oh This, The Bad Place. I would imagine that's from The Good Place, right? The show. So these are all double-sided, but they're never on the same card. See, so this one is this set right here, but it's not the same on the back. But you get two of every single one. They're just not on the back of each one. I don't know if that was weird or not. So, and the exclamation marks, those are cute, and they're big and bold. That's Betsy's. I love the green. The green's a good green. It's not one of those like funky greens. So this is the Traveler's Notebook kit, and I pay $51. I think it's $51 for the Project Life kit, but they can't call Project Life, but they call pocket kits, and the Traveler's Notebook kit. So I pay $51 for two kits. Okay, I love hers are my favorite stamps, so that's why I think it's worth it. It's a little pricey, but I think it's worth it because of that. Because her stamps are so versatile. Just love it. Okay, so this is the mini kit, but they usually call it like the not mini kit, the pocket kit. Oh, look at how cute this is in a little glassine bag. This is my love language. I wonder if this is like a little extra goodie. So this is my love language. Bah. Okay. Oh, it's like a school theme, which is cute. I don't have well, my son's in college, but I don't you don't have to use them for school kits. I don't think you can use them for anything. It says T is for today. So the pencils, like the pencils are brown, and you turn it around and it's an orange. So the same font is on one side as it is on the other, but it's just a different color. See, so I like that too. So you can pick and choose. I like that. September. So vertical and horizontal. So awesome. I love notebook paper stuff. Okay, and then you get the 4x6 cards, which are the pencils, which you can cut them out single if you wanted and like cross them, or you can do any, you know, write what you wish for your children, you know, on each little sentence. So on each little pencil. Duh. I've only had one cup of coffee, so I need one more, and then I might be able to form some sentences. Maybe not coherent, but at least some. These are so cute. I love that. So that's the 4x6 cards, and then you get another alpha, which you get the numbers, which I love. This is more of a navy. And then you always get labels. I love labels. Labels are awesome. I have so many of them. Oops, I missed 2 cards. So I missed 2 cards. So, and then the stamp set, you can't miss that because this is really cool. Look, you get all of this. That's all. I think this is all one. This is all one. Yeah, so it's not individual. So it's all one line. So you got uppercase, and then lowercase. Speechless, favorite. Oh, look at this. This is like A is for awesome. Oh, so you can write it right here if you wanted. That's really fun. I love that. So beyond words, this is my love language. Oh, I wonder if, did they misspell language? Is that why you get 2? I wonder if that's what happened. This is my this. Oh, they forgot the is. This my love. Oh, I see. So instead of giving you a whole different set, they just fixed it by giving you the single. So this is supposed to say this is my love language. Gotcha. So then that's easy. So then you just put it in here with this. So because there's enough room, you can just put it in there, like, you know, somewhere in there. It has the backing, so you can't put it in there right now. Or you can just take this one out and throw it away. So, or whatever. But you can do stuff with it. Okay, so that is that. So this must be my add-on. So I think I got an add-on. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's right. I did. I got an add-on. I got stamp sets. So this is a newsstand. Oh, did they have another one that was a little messed up? Newsstand. What is... Yeah, they forgot the 2 S's. I like how they, you know, they, instead of saying, oops, sorry, and then that's it, they actually gave you a whole other one. Bookstores are magic. Library. This is why I had to have this one, because I love books. Books are amazing. I'll take that over TV any day. But not football. But, yeah. So that's the football one. So, yeah, so then they gave you the... That's never happened that much before, so that's cool. So another book one. She had 2 book ones apparently. Or maybe one was on clearance and one was a new one. It could have been that way too. I love that. Well read. So cool. So this is, yeah, so not these 2, but all of this was $51. So I think it's worth it. I love the stamps. All right, guys. We'll see y'all next month. Bye.